A dog. A new addition to the family. Scrappy, how you doing? Well, we found this dog on the road.
It was so sad.
All alone. Not fed. Skinny, skinny, skinny. Okay, so let's tell the story.
Okay, well, me and Sydney were just walking down the road one day, and there was this dog it was just laying there. It was so sad. And he doesn't have a home.
I don't think I'm crying, but I really am.
So sad. Wait, how did that dog get in your house? Where? How did that get in your house?
I think he wants to be like the other puppies on Tough Puppy, Tough Puppy, Tough Puppy. Wait.
Possessed dog.
Run, dog, run, run, dog, run, run, dog, run. Bye.